Hi there, today we're going to be doing some spray painting. This is Desert Rose Gold by Rustoleum, and it is kind of a muted aged copper rather than the super bright copper that you tend to find. I had to go to 3 stores to find this, but I finally found it at Lowe's. Probably Home Depot also sells it, or you can get it online. I really like this color, and usually it looks exactly the way it looks on the cap. So I've taped off everything in the area, and let's get started. So here is a rather dingy looking vent hood in my kitchen, and some old paint in the back. So I'm gonna do some improvements. You can see I've already painted the lower cabinets a brighter white color, and I will eventually paint all of the cabinets. But first I wanted to go ahead and spray paint this vent hood copper. It is metal and has been painted at some point. It may actually have been copper originally, I'm not sure, but I think a little metallic would break up the white. And then I have some peel and stick tile to put on the backsplash, which the backsplash is kind of gross, and that is scrubbed and cleaned with oven cleaner, and that's as clean as it came. So stick around and we'll see how things change. So we're going to try to do some light coats and not get it globby and drippy anywhere in particular. So I wasn't sure if the rose gold would be too pink, so I also had this hammered copper, which I put right here, which is definitely way more brown than I want, so I'm going to stick with the rose gold. So let's just keep at it. So here's what we have so far. Now, strangely, I still have liquid in this can, but it's not coming out color, it's just coming out clear. So it did not cover near as much as I thought it was. And I have some splotchiness that normally you would get a 3rd coat and it would be fine, but nothing's coming out the way it should. So I'm gonna get another can of this and we'll come back. So this is how it came out. I really like the copper finish. It's not too shiny, it's just the perfect amount of shininess. These brush strokes were here from the previous paint job that someone else did. And then I also spray painted under here, which looks amazing. So much nicer than the dingy yellow that this was. And then soon I'll paint those cabinets and everything will look wonderful with a new backsplash. So, Rustoleum, the most common copper, I guess, is common for a reason because it's beautiful.